What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we will be tackling Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I cannot wait for y'all to see the little drama that's inside of this little bag. So if you want to see what I got in November for the Glam Plus, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, my loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, this little bag that we got this month got a little bit of issue with it. First of all, you know, they don't provide prices, so I had to go inside and get on the app and look at all of the prices. And when I added the prices up, I'm just gonna give Ipsy a big old side eye because it wasn't hitting on nothing. I'm gonna put the total towards the end of the video. Also, they have the nerve to email me. If I can find the email, I will put it like right here, telling me that they made a mistake with some of my choices because choice for me this month sucked. The choices I had to choose from was like ridiculous. And they're gonna send me a whopping $3. $3? Ooh, Ipsy, no. Now, I know that they recently bought out BoxyCharm, so I hope they're not going to be taking on BoxyCharm's bad habits, because Ipsy, you will be thrown to the wolves, boo. I am not going to tolerate that. Yes, guys, but I do pay for this bag with my own money, so even more so reason why my value should be all the way there. But let's go ahead on and see what we got. Before we do that, guys, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I have water today. This is probably what y'all gonna be seeing all week because your girl got a little wasted in LA, and oh girl. So we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. This one, guys, is the $25 per month subscription. They do have some other subs that's going to be coming out since they bought BoxyCharm. I think it's like a skincare line or something. I'm probably going to do a full video on the changes with Ipsy and BoxyCharm soon. So this one is $25 a month, guys. This is the Glam Bag Plus. You're supposed to get 5 full-size items in this box bag each month, and it's supposed to have a value of $120. Let's say for the people in the back that didn't hear, $120. So let's see what we got up in here and get it on and popping. We pull our little baggie out, and I have something else. I did do some add-ons in this little video, so I will be showing you guys what I added on. But this is the bag for the month, and it's a cute little bag. I am digging the colors. It's very like fall-esque, you know, pretty winter vibe. The back is just a solid blue, so I do like the bag a lot. I do. So let's open her up. So now Ipsy will choose 2 products for you each month, and we get to choose our 3 products that we want to total the 5. And I'm going to show you guys what they chose for me first, and then I'll show you guys my items. The theme for November is to be present right here. And it says on the back, to save the date, November 27th through the 30th is their Black Friday and Cyber Monday. There's no prices at all in here. So we're gonna put this to the side. Let me show you what Ipsy chose for me. The first item that they chose for me was this Trestique Good Vibes Mascara and Lash Curler. I remember getting this in an Ipsy box a while back, and I thought it was okay. It has this weird little lash curler on it. This is what the packaging looks like, guys. Just a sleek black package. You pull the top off, and right here is the lash curler that you would, you know, pull out, and it would curl your lashes first before you apply the mascara. Now, I don't know if y'all know this, but I am deadly afraid of eyelash curlers. I'm so scared that I clip my eyelid off, so I don't use it. And I don't really recall using the mascara either. So if I still have that one around, I'll give it a try, just the mascara, but this one will be going in a giveaway to you guys. And I don't know, I just don't know how I feel about a repeat item from like months ago. Like, The choices just were not good this month. And this, guys, retails for $25. So next item that they chose for me was this Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow pressed pigment palette right here. And yeah, they gave me a Violet Voss palette last month. I'm gonna pull it out and show you guys. Let's open this baby up and see what it looked like. I do like Violet Voss. Their palettes are very creamy and pigmented. This is what it looks like, my loves. And when we open her up, oh, okay, we have a mirror. Hey, boo. It did have a little piece of plastic on it, guys. And this is the palette right here. It appears that we have 5 matte shades and 1 look like dual chrome shade right there. This is very, very, very pretty. I do love this palette. Let's swatch it. I'm gonna show you guys the last one from Violet Voss. They look quite similar, except except the other one is a little bigger. Let's build this one up just a little bit. So that's how they look at on my fingers. I only swatched 5 of the 6, guys. And these are the 5 shades swatched out. They okay. It looks like it could be buildable. This is that dual chrome one right there. It's very pretty. These swatch just okay. It's not your normal creamy consistency for Violet Voss palettes, but I guess it's okay. I could probably try and make that work. Let me show you guys the other one. This is the one I got last month. And oh no, it's quite different. Well, I don't know. Let me show you. You tell me what you think. This is the one from last month. So the colors are pretty similar, I think. So I'm never mad about getting a palette, especially one that I can use and possibly build up. So this right here, guys, retails for $20. All right, now let's get to what I chose. First thing I chose, which was, I mean, I had no other choice really, was from Sugar Rush, and this is Tarte's Company, and this is a Lip Sip vegan lip oil right there. That's how that is looking, and it's in the shade Fresh Pressed. Let's open it up. I do love the packaging. It's so, like, I don't know, festive. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like right here, guys. Just a standard little regular lip gloss tool. I do like that they have this little piece around for grip, and you get 3 milliliters of product in here. Let's open it. Oh, it smells good. I don't know what it smells like. Bubblegum maybe. That's the applicator right there. And it's just like a lip gloss. Let's put a little bit on. I could always use a lip oil during the winter time, and when I sleep at night, I like to put a little oil on my lips because my lips be like really dry, guys. So although I was not really pleased with this, this is a product that I could actually use, and this one retails for $15. And then I chose this Julep. I don't know, Julep. This is an eyeshadow 101, a cream to powder eyeshadow stick. Now, they did give me like 3 of these to choose from, which I thought that this should have been like one item should have been 3 of these and not all separate. That made no sense to me. So this is in the shade Bronze Shimmer right there. And I'm going to let you guys know, I know that a lot of you guys, you know, like the idea of being able to pick your products. I do too. I love being able to pick 3 of my 5. I love that. But if the products you have to choose from are not worth it, then does it really make sense to do it? Should they just go back to giving us what they want based on our profiles? Or I do like the fact that I could pick products, but I just want the products to be consistent every month. Like, every month. This is what the packaging is looking like, my loves. And when we open it up, it comes up like that, and this twists up. And this is the shimmer shade right there. I have heard good things about this, so I'm not really too upset about it, but I just wish we'd have got 3 as a choice item. And that is the shadow right there. Let me see if I could build it up some right here. And I do like it. It's a beautiful bronzy shade. I could definitely do something with that, like put it right in the corner of my eye. So I do like this. The color is very pretty. I could probably use this as a lipstick too. So, okay. And this, guys, retails for $14. And the last item that I chose was a palette. And this is the Shayna B Miami palette, I think. Yes, this is the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette right here. That's what it looks like. And in the description on my on Ipsy, on their site, it describes this as a mini Miami eyeshadow palette. So 8 shades in here, guys. When we open her up, oh girl, we do have a mirror. Hey boo. Oh, okay. So this is the palette right here, my loves. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I absolutely love it. You have some shimmers here and some, all the top row is shimmer shades and the bottom is matte shades. And I'm not going to swatch this because I don't know how much use I would get out of this, but I am feeling this color, and this color. So yeah, we won't swatch it, but I'm happy to get this. We're going to put this in a giveaway. And this one, guys, is $20. So that was my final product out of my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I'm going to quickly show you guys my add-ons, and then we're going to recap and do final thoughts. So the first item that I chose was from Complex Culture, and this is their Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream right there. I love their brushes, so I wanted to try one of their lip products because I didn't know they made lip products, and I do have the shade Espresso. So let's see. Ooh, the packaging is sickening. That is gorgeous. Let's open it. Okay, and this is, let me put this down. This is the applicator right there. It's got a hook in it. Ooh, like Cardi B said. Oh. So let's smear it out and see. This is what it looks like. I'm not getting espresso at all. I'm not getting espresso. That's what it looks like. Let me take this lip off and I'm gonna try it on my lips. Let's see. That lip oil that I had on, it feels amazing, by the way. So let me put a little bit of this on my lips. Oh, very pretty though. Oh, okay. Alrighty. So it doesn't really look the same on my hand, but on my mouth, I like this color and it feels so good. It's not sticky. Ooh, okay, I like this. This one, guys, I think I got this for 12. I don't remember how much I got it for as add-ons, but it's $18 regular price. And then I picked up this from Biro, New York. This is the bell pepper serum. I am using, I got it right here, their tomato serum, and this stuff is amazing. So when I saw the bell pepper serum, I'm like, ooh, let me pick this up. And I know Biro is quite expensive. So when I saw it for like 18 bucks, I was like, oh, wow. Now let me get it because it retails for $110. Like, what? But this is the bottle right here, my loves. And this says, let's see if I can read that. Bell pepper serum is a fast absorbing fluid serum that instantly hydrates and, oh Lord, retains moisture for a healthy looking glowing complexion. You're gonna apply a few drops to your face and neck in the morning and at night, and it can be used daily. That was a struggle. So that's what it looks like. And in here you get 30 milliliters of product. Let me open it. It doesn't even smell like anything. It comes with this little dropper like that. Drop a little bit on my hand so I can see. It doesn't really feel like anything, but okay. I'm happy to get this because y'all know TonyaNicole ain't paying no $110 for no serum. And then the last thing that I got was just this little black Pixie by Petra pencil. I always can use eyeliner, and this was like $3. So yeah, that's what I got. So let's do a quick recap, guys, and do final thoughts. We received from Tarte Sugar Rush this lip oil here. From Julep, this powdered eyeshadow stick. From Violet Voss, this 6-color eyeshadow palette. Trestique, this lash curler and mascara. And this Shayna B Miami palette here. So these 5 items are right here, my loves. And the grand total for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was a whopping $94. Okay, so Ipsy's going to probably lose a couple points for that alone. So final thoughts on this box. I thought for the most part, the box was pretty decent for me this month. We got all makeup products, which I absolutely love. I'm going to put this in a giveaway, but I'm going to use these 3 products right here. If I was to keep this, I probably would use it too. It's a palette. This I will give away. So 3 out of the 5 is actually pretty decent. But what I do not like is my choices for this month were complete garbage. They were horrible. I had a lot of lip products, a lot of these little stick eyeshadow things. And I don't think they went by my profile this time. Also, the price value is $94 and they guarantee $120. So that is an issue for me as well. And then to add insult to injury, they offer me $3 to use in pop-up. Like, really, Ipsy? Really? Like, that to me is like the ultimate slap in the face, and I don't really like that. Let me know what you thought about my price value and how they guarantee $120 and mine is only $94, and then they give me $3 to spend in pop-up, which would be $95, $96, $97. So I'm still not at $120. So yeah, I'm not even gonna rate this box, y'all, because I don't know what I give it. I might just be, no. So y'all tell me below, based on those facts and the products, I will actually use, I will actually use 3 of the 5 products. So y'all tell me what y'all thought. I thought overall for us getting all makeup, I do love that. I'm gonna hit y'all with a little couple positives because I don't want y'all to think I'm a negative Nancy, because I am, but let me hit y'all with a little positive too. I do like the fact that it's all makeup, and I do like the fact that these are products that I can use, all of them really, but they just seem to have missed the price mark for me. I don't think it's a bad box, but don't advertise that you're going to get at least $120 worth of products and then you fall short and then you slap me in the face with $3. Like, I don't want the $3. Y'all can keep it. So yeah, if they would have added these to my bag, it probably would have made it $120. I don't know. I just have an issue with the whole $3 thing and my box not even being close to $100, even after they give me $3. So enough ranting, and that's my thoughts, guys. Let me know down below what's your thoughts on Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month. If I had to rate, I probably would give like a 2.5 to 3, which is not bad. I'll probably give it a 3, but I don't even want to give it that. So y'all let me know down below in the comments what's your thoughts. Don't forget, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. All of the links will be down below for my Instagram and Twitter as well. Ipsy's link will also be down below just in case you want to subscribe. And that's all I have, boo. I'm just going to drink the rest of my water and enjoy my day. And I hope you guys do the same because it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.